See that? Yeah, they find a blow phone. Cheapest phone.
Yeah, cheapest. Yeah, worry about phone.
See him? Yeah.
Come back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up first and foremost. Wanna know the style though? Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if you're new. You see me? Yeah man, we are talking about what the description of the video say, but first we are kick it off with the man who point a licensed firearm maybe, or maybe an illegal firearm on a woman and her kids while driving. You see?
Fire it now. Fire it, pussy.
Mommy, don't know.
See that boy, point him gun off of me in front of my daughter, I'm pity them. The man they point him gun off of me in front of my pity them. Right there, see that? Me get him license plate number. Me get him license plate number 2. See him point him gun off of me, I'm pity them. The man that dirty man there. Point him gun off of me, I'm pity them. You should have fire. I fire more, fire pussy. Fire more, you fire. Batty boy. Fuck the you. Suck your mother. Fire more, you fire. See my friend of your pussy. Fire more, you fire. Fire. Suck your mother. I'm afraid of none of you. Pussy.
Well, I'm sure you so you see for yourself, you see me? And me I blame the both of them. Cause there's no way me can have my kids and somebody a point a gun at me and me I drive go close just for them. Yeah man, me take the license plate and I eat that. But suppose the man did shoot all and he pity them. Not talk you know, cause you can get it too, you know, but Jaja can't do them thing them mama, you see me? But the brother there, oh him up better over license firearm cause I'm in a problem after this.
Ready? Alright, this is Solaine. Remember the 4th of March? The 5th is my birthday, but I keep my birthday on my 9 The 4th, that means the next week, Thursday, is my 9 Come on, see my 9 should I look. Everybody keep them 9 when they dead. Me I keep my one when me alive. That's when me dead, and nobody keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. You understand? So this is to miss. Remember, right a world boss, and yes, I they come shell it. You understand? 100 lane top.
Nobody else but Solaine, man. Solaine says she keep her 9 when she alive. So when she dead, when you keep set up and bury her, simple. I hit man people, right this way, you see me? So jahcure and Beenie man, the doctor, buck up in the streets, and I don't know normal. You see me? Unity, the people them a preach about ya. Rasta from morning. You see me? More positive thing preacher, the better for our culture and everything. Cause we are beat down with one another and I praise people over, so I don't say it work, is it?
See that? Yeah, they find a blow phone. Cheapest phone.
Yeah, cheapest. Yeah, worry about phone.
See him?
Yeah.
See, 13 years after I use phone.
My friend, listen.
They're going to do like him.
I check none at all.
Yeah, him know me love him. Him know say me not see my road and pass him nowhere. Where?
My friend in the car, we are bad people.
Which friend? A brother thing. Yeah, look at Melody. Yeah, that's cool, man. We are here. See? I know time to see. So look at my brother, man. I want to love him now. Yes, sir. Right now. Why you always watching the video?
Yeah man people, so if you're not enjoying the video so far, please do leave a comment and a like. You see me? Yeah man, Queenie talk how she and June plum thing I go, you see me?
You know, a living, do you work, or is it just music full time?
Well, right now, music full time.
Right. Was you working before that though?
Well, yeah, used to.
Yeah. What do you like? What do you like doing? What
Me?
kind of work?
What kind of work?
Yeah.
You never made a work place then?
Well, remember more than one.
He's a superstar now.
There you go.
It's more than one, sir.
So name out the workplace and where you got through.
Do you get upset when you see those negative comments that are directed at the love of your life? Like you're a man, you know.
Well, sometimes some of them, you know, when we read them, you know, them take a little nerves. But you know, as a man, you have to stand up firm.
Right.
You know?
And Queenie probably calms you down, right? Calm you down because you know the thing is though, Queenie, when I used to watch Queenie in the UK, I have to admit I never seen so much negative comments as what you've gotten from when you've come out here in Jamaica. I have to say that.
Yeah.
Right? And some of the comments have been like really vicious. Like,
It is, I know.
Who are you? Like,
yeah, where do you come
you
from?
know what I mean? What planet?
Why would you want
are
to say
they?
that about the Queen? I'm like,
It's
really?
true. Why?
It's
Why?
for love,
Why?
because we're in love.
Right.
Dewey went in the army when he left school.
What? What you
I
saying?
made someone last week Sunday that was your what?
NCO.
Is NCO.
Right.
And she was so complimentary, and I'm like, Dewey, you need to empower these things more.
But I think, like he said, I think because you was born here, right?
Yeah.
And you left here how old?
When me at 25.
Right. So he's a big woman. So you
Yeah.
grew up here.
Yeah.
You know the score.
Yes, the ins and outs.
But he's had a humble.
Yes.
Like a humble background. When
Yes.
you go to England, you're exposed to
Yes,
like,
and you did
aren't you?
meet different culture,
Exactly,
different
exactly.
nationalities, so you see things one way. We're in Dewey and haven't never left Jamaica.
Right.
So them can't help themselves, them trapping are just Jamaica ways.
Right, right.
So I understand. So it's like you have a culture clash as well with me and him, even though we're born here.
Really?
Yes, because certain things them said to me, I said, no, you don't say that, baby. That's not nice.
Right, go on, tell us some of the things.
Like
Plum,
today.
Tune Plum. Spit it out now. Tell us some of the
Like to
things
do.
that you upset Queenie with. Like when he says,
Like him said, I asked him today, say, like mother said to him, say, you see the phone? You don't see it, that's all.
Right,
No,
right.
that's
I was
so
gonna
like you
say that.
annoyed at me.
Yeah.
But that's how they speak.
yes.
But sometimes after you lash out and say, no, chat to me, so, then you remember, say, oh, Jamaican, oh, them can't
Yes.
help themselves.
Yes.
So it's a culture clash,
Yes.
just with words and communication. But because I'm an high spirit person, I'm like, I can't take a lot of shit. My all purpose in it. Sorry.
That's all right.
Only one.
Carry on.
Yeah.
On
Only
purpose.
one. We got to read over the pan, yeah. So,
But you know what? You feel like you're at home. We're at home.
And we just chatting. That's it. We're just chatting.
yeah. Sorry, my bad, yeah. So you see when they're bashing us here, saying this, saying that, remember, you have the good, the bad, and the indifferent.
Yes.
You have the sun, the light. You have the rain. You have the whatever, innit? So what people don't understand, that's the one side of us on the internet. That's what I choose to give you.
Exactly.
What about when me run a hide from Dewey?
Yeah.
When Dewey has said this, so there's many rivers to
because
cross.
you're in a relationship. What people are seeing.
Nothing is
the
perfect.
social media relationship.
Right,
That's
there you
what I'm
go.
saying. They say, and you so rightly said, you put out
What
you
I want them to see.
Yes.
So when I've got different emotions that I don't want to see, they're not going to know that because
Right.
I'm a happy spirit person.
Right.
And then I know how to balance because like with doing here, whenever we have a disagreement, them shut down.
Right.
So,
What month are you born?
Like
What
that.
month are you born? 'Cause you're a
March.
fire sign, aren't you? Sagittarius.
yeah, I'm
right?
Sagittarius and I'm born the 20th of March, teen Sagittarius. And we was doing a video shoot, we went country, and he shut down for me like 8 hours because we driver leaving by mistake. I went back for me, he was in the rain and he vexed. But we come back for you. So,
Oh, you left him?
yes, by
You left
accident.
him.
Well,
So, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
no, not me,
No,
as in me,
Okay.
as in the team of us.
But you-
I was lying in the back of the car. I was driving. So
No,
when
but
we reached,
you left your man.
no, I didn't really left him. I did let me tell you.
I
Them go
would've
shop.
been
I am
mad
the
too.
queen. I am the only girl. It was 3 men and 1 lady, which is me.
Right.
So I was lying in the back of the car. So they went shop. So when they come back now, they just start driving. So when they're driving like 5 minutes, so where is doing? But this was already too late. He was walking in the rain, coming up the hill here. So when him see like him, they were coming like, I said, do it also. 1 hour, 2 hours, I'm not talking to me. 4 hours.
You lucky, you're bright. I wouldn't either.
Yeah, well, you're bright too.
No,
You see the chicken we go buy? I stone him with the chicken. I stone him with the eyeglass. I stone him with the clothes. I stone him with everything till him talk to me.
Oh my God, June Plum, they left you in the rain.
I know what, bless him. Him get up and him feed up the chicken.
Back to that. How far away did you go before you had to go back?
I don't know, maybe 5 minutes up the hill in the rain.
Okay. Then you realise June Plum's not there.
But remember, everything come with good and bad. So it's not just always nice.
And the thing is, that's good, that's human, that's joke, that's, you know, that's what we want to hear. We want to hear that it's just regular. It's regular, but I don't know how you did it, sis.
I know, but God give me this energy and I just
Well,
endorse
at least
it.
you went back for him.
Yes, because it was a simple mistake.
Right. But was you mad, June Plum?
Yeah, man, I'm mad, man.
Was you mad? Was it cold as well? Was it cold?
Well, a country, not country cold, so.
Put the microphone, we need to hear you. Was you mad?
Yeah, I was mad.
Yeah? And you didn't speak to her for 2 hours?
4, 6, 8 hours. Longer than that, that's what I'm telling you.
Is that how stubborn you are?
Yes, and after stoning with the KC chicken and the eyeglass, Wendy's, some chicken, Wendy's, see there, some chicken. I'm only gonna run one at a time, you know. I'm gonna say, you know what, Queenie, calm down. I'm gonna go back to him again and say, nah, talk to me. After I'm preach, I say, I'm gonna put it on Instagram. Oh, no, look, I'm gonna go sleep.
So anyway, but you got over that. You got over that. You have to do a head count next time. You have to do a head count and make sure it's there.
Everybody's there.
Don't forget our 212-9824-2940-274-075. We are here chatting with, well, actually co-hosting with Queen Lady Gangster and June Plum.